Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and you saw it correctly, guys. There is 1 day left. In fact, less than 1 day. It's coming very soon, and this particular announcement is going to be the thing, in my opinion, along with a series of other items that gets Crypto.com into the top tier exchange list, at least in the top 10, because right now we're going to peek at what rank Crypto.com exchange is compared to some of the other exchanges out there and how we can get into the top 5, maybe even into the top 3 in the next bull market. Let's get into it, guys. If you like the content, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk a little bit about CRO, and the overall crypto market is rallying today, by the way. Bitcoin at $35,000 and change, trying to break above 36. Ethereum is showing the altcoins are strong right now. I talked a little bit about that in my video earlier today. Altcoins are very, very strong and seemingly rallying up right now. Looking at CRO right now is ranked number 34 at 7 cents, guys, up 15.74% over the last 7 days, which is pretty good. Now, if you look at some of the top gainers over the last 7 days, CRO doesn't pop up near the top of the list here, but you scroll down just a little bit, it's in the top 15 or so of top gaining coins. So that's pretty good. If you're a CRO Coin holder, you're probably pretty happy. But be aware, guys, there is more than just a CRO Coin price going up. CRO is currently going up versus Binance as well. Why? Because we just talked about it. Ethereum is rallying right now. Altcoins are rallying versus Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin goes up, altcoins lag behind, Bitcoin cools off, struggles to break above a level, and then all of a sudden altcoins catch up. Now, Bitcoin's at the top of that level. Altcoins are catching up. If Bitcoin breaks out, altcoins can continue this rally as well, possibly, maybe even have just as much, maybe even more if we continue with this altcoin rally, more upside than Bitcoin. Eventually, that'll happen. Here's the CRO versus Bitcoin chart, guys. CRO Coin right now, if it goes back to its previous highs versus Bitcoin, is due for a 704% rally versus Bitcoin. That would be absolutely incredible, guys. Looking at the US dollar value for CRO, absolutely spectacular breakouts on the weekly candles for CRO. 4 green weeks in a row, a very great trend, breaking above some key lines, trying to get back up to that 10 and then hopefully 12-cent level. Right now, guys, I guess the next key level I'd be looking at is right at the high end at 8 cents, maybe around some of these peaks right here. So I guess I'll just draw this in for the future so we can peek at it stalling out maybe around that level. We didn't stall out here at all. Of course, if you go down onto some of the 4-hourly candles, we did have a couple moments where we were bouncing right off that level that I was looking at about 6.6 cents. So it was a pretty good level, but short-lived. The weekly candles climb on, which is great to see. Guys, in terms of where Crypto.com is versus some of the other exchanges out there, right now, guys, according to CoinMarketCap, which is owned by Binance, by the way, right now they only rank it at rank number 11. But good news, this was previously much, much lower, as this is getting more notoriety and it's becoming fiercer competition for Binance. Crypto.com is going to continue to climb this rank, even if Binance doesn't want their competition to show how competitive they are. It's going to be very, very interesting. Another thing you got to remember, guys, is all these exchanges, except for Bitstamp, do have proof of reserve exchange reserves data available ever since the FTX collapse. That is a key thing that top exchanges need. You scroll down this list, a lot of these ones don't have them because they're just not as legitimate as others like Crypto.com, Huobi, KuCoin, OKX, you name it, guys. So that's what we're looking at right now. Now, how can Crypto.com climb this list, and how can CRO Coin continue this rally and be a better coin than Binance in this next bull market? Well, guys, in 19 hours and 8 minutes, they are launching a competitive mode for the first ever exchange-launched Web3 game. Guys, no other exchange is launching their own Web3 game. Crypto.com is the first to do it. What they've done spectacularly as well is they've integrated it in with their NFTs that they've launched, and they have an NFT platform which gets promoted due to this as well. This is great because not only can you buy those with dollars, you can buy those with CRO if you go through the Cronos chain. And this was launched on the Cronos chain. So this is really giving a lot of different visibility to Crypto.com. This is a play-to-earn game. You can earn real money when you play this game, which is pretty darn cool, guys, and something to honestly to be excited about. And at the very least, guys, you have to acknowledge that this is one of the many items that separates Crypto.com from its competition. They do have the proof of reserves information, just like some of the other major exchanges, but Binance is one of the only other major chains that has its own smart chain. Crypto.com and Cronos have that too. But NFT platforms, Some others have NFT platforms. Crypto.com, Cronos has that too. Web3 games, nobody else has that. Crypto.com is the first to launch one of these, and it integrates with your NFTs. I think it's brilliant. I think it's a way to drive more adoption to this exchange when a bull market comes and people are starting to learn about crypto. Any good story, any good narrative to incentivize somebody to use Crypto.com instead of Binance or OKX, that is a good thing for the CRO token, guys, at the end of the day. The biggest utility for the CRO token is definitely on the Cronos chain, which is growing. More dApps and DEXs are growing on that. We've seen partnerships with Google and Amazon. Things are looking pretty good, guys. Crow's going up. Makes me pretty happy. Bitcoin's moving. It's a great day. Happy Sunday, y'all. That's all I got for you today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up a like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.